अच्छा
SummerSprint. आगे चल के रुकते हैं यहाँ. This is just cross this trash.
चलो ठीक है, जहाँ पे भी रुकना हो यू जस्ट स्टॉप, आई स्टॉप.
And from there we can start.
ओके. क्या
Fun so far.
मतलब?
Fun.
हाँ फन, यस. आई हर्ड पान, आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
So now will be. मेरा वैसे आज बहुत मेलो डाउन हो रखा है. Some vehicle is gone. That is actually वो सारे फीचर्स तो खत्म कर दिए, प्लेन हो गए थे. So which is good enough for you.
फर्स्ट टाइम, या.
Yeah. So I mean you're okay with this ना?
या, इट वाज फन.
हाँ, तो बस ऐसे ही आगे चलता रहेगा. थोड़ा सा रॉकी हो जाएगा बीच बीच में. So you know just enjoy.
ठीक है.
The sun in. I mean you can put this up, enjoy the sunlight and the air. That's the best part about the train. It's all fresh air.
ओके.
We'll head inside, take a short break at the Baba land, okay? And then we'll come back here and then continue the trail closer to Bangala.
ठीक है.
Let's go inside.
हाँ. You know, I just get a sense of satisfaction doing this because this is the first time I'm taking my Tiger where it belongs. Yes, I'm enjoying it completely. So most of the rallies are like this only on this terrain. अच्छा.
अपने यहाँ पे. So the ones in Rajasthan and all. Either it is sandy or the rasta is like this. So they time their runs on this.
अच्छा, speed runs and all. we are back on our original trail. We just left the way to see that flat Baba ka ground or something. I don't know what's that called. And we have approximately 8 more kilometers to cover, and completely enjoying it while my bike is on the off-road mode. So the ABS is working a bit less, traction control is working a bit less, throttle is a bit more responsive, and I can completely feel that whenever I take a pull or something. So all this, and while my rear tire is losing traction, just loving the fun of this 900 engine and not completely using it to its capacity, but having fun, I must say. Going good. Lost my front tires traction 2 times. एक बार तो आपके सामने.
हाँ, so इस थोड़ा सा मतलब you have to be careful on those ना, वो काफ़ी dangerous है.
हाँ.
I had my first tire crash there only.
अच्छा.
But thankfully didn't damage anything.
Okay.
तो side panel का थोड़ा सा वो हुआ, but it was okay. So that's the deal. मतलब ये वाला जो patch है ना पूरा, it has these ये purplish color का जो है ना.
Rudy type. Gravels, हाँ.
हाँ, gravel. So that is very slippery. This particular purple वाला.
Actual में क्या हुआ, even you stopped. So I had to change the line in between, like 2 टायर के जगह होती है ना, उसके बीच वाले में I just lost traction वहाँ पे, but everything was under control.
अच्छा. So you don't have to go fast here around.
हाँ.
Just get to know the trail first, and then any other time in the future whenever you're coming, you'll keep मतलब वो सारा दिमाग में आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
You know कौन से features कहाँ हैं. तो डिचेस तो ख़त्म कर दिए, सीमेंट जैसा कुछ डाला हुआ था, आई डोंट नो. They ruined the trail, something has happened.
Okay. So I'm having a lot of fun, but Mr. Utkarsh has different views. He's saying that the trail has been ruined as they have filled a lot of ditches and rolls. Okay, so we are again back on the slippery purplish gravel. Honestly, I got a bit scared in the end because the front tire started losing traction, and that was a bit scary, but I can feel my blood in my veins a lot faster than just 10 seconds ago. But the adrenaline rush is what I'm here for. cardio workout. Oh, एक second, I think my coolant is leaking. I'm just hoping that the GoPro's angle is a bit better now. Because it was pretty angled top down, which wasn't really looking good. It was for sure looking great while I was standing on my bike, but while sitting like this, I think so it was a bit too top down. And now we are heading back. We just touched Damdama Lake and took a U-turn to go back towards the Gurgaon Faridabad road, GFR as you may know it. This bike is so lovely, as in of the agility it has, the power it has, the way it is just nimble. You can take it anywhere, you can throw it anywhere for that matter. It's a complete head turner bike. Wherever you go, it surely turns a few heads, not all, but a lot of them. So you could see a few people running. This is the SummerSprint trail, that is what it is called. You saw one guy cycling earlier. It's just the perfect time, the perfect weather. Everything today is in our favor. And let's just all work together to conserve our mother nature. If you look at this place, it's so green. You might be shocked, it's just 10 to 12 kilometers, maybe more, a lot more, but not really far off this urban area, which is like full of buildings and concrete and roads, highways, whatnot. We have destroyed all of our mother nature, which you can see here. Pressing the rear brake a bit too hard leads to this. But I think all of these instances are actually giving me confidence on my bike as to how I can ride it, how not to, and learning from each and every skid, each and every wrong decision I'm making. I just love losing traction on my rear wheel. rips off his bike. So we'll just put the bike in the off-road mode, you know, just to have fun. Really? Oh man, you can expect anything and everything in India. So this is basically what we humans are creating. What you see is a huge garbage dump. People living around Gurgaon and Faridabad might already recognize it. So this is what I meant 10 or 15 minutes back while I was saying that we humans have destroyed our mother nature, mother earth, and what we are leaving behind is this. And we are back to the roads. I will just shift the bike to maybe I can't shift it while it's running. I'll do that at the next stop, which is OTR Motocross. I don't know, my friend wants to stop here. Let's see. I'm just the first timer.